Okay, part 5 na. Part 5 ng available natin. Ito po si Disney Princess. Code Disney Princess. Ayan. Ang code nito ay Disney Princess. Available lang po siya sa Family and Queen na lang. Tapos kumot. Family and Queen and kumot. Ayan. Disney Princess, Family, Queen, and kumot. Next natin si Persian. Ang code Persian natin. Code Persian, Super King, King, Family, and Queen. Tapos kumot. Persian. Code Persian. Gray, red, and blue. Ayan. Code Persian po ito. Next natin si Code Carla. Kulay green po ito ha. Ang Code Carla natin ay single, double, queen, king, family, super king, cortina,